Hello everyone, welcome to Qmetry video tutorial series wherein we are going to talk about some most amazing features of Qmetry for Jira. My name is Shaunak Amin, working as product specialist at Qmetry, and today I'm going to talk about some exciting features of Qmetry, how we can perform import options wherein we can just import our test assets which are currently managed into an Excel sheet. And if you do want to import that particular test assets into your Qmetry for Jira instance, then you can do it using our import utility tool, which is available by clicking on bulk operation, wherein there is an option been available that is import test case. So once I'll click on it, I need to select the Excel sheet or a file wherein I have tried to manage my test assets currently. So once I click on select file, herein you can see there is a template file which has been available for demo purpose. So I need to select that particular file and I need to select the sheet number. So by default, since it is having only sheet once, it will automatically select that particular sheet. Now Qmetry will ask you to select the target folder wherein you just want to import those particular test assets. Even if the test cases with the same key already exists in the system, then you can just skip it or you can import it with the new version. And if the SKH feels like components or label doesn't exist in the project, then you can just ignore it or you can just create it if you do want to. Now, once I will click for next, Qmetry will open a mapping of the fields wherein you just need to map the fields which are available into your Qmetry for Jira instance and the fields which you have taken into your sheet. So summary will be the mandatory field. Even you can manually map the fields based upon the fields which you have taken into your sheet. If it do match to Qmetry field, like say issue key I have taken, then you can even select the components if you have taken. Then even Qmetry allows you to add the custom fields based upon the custom fields which you have created into your Qmetry for Jira instance. And if they are available into your Excel sheet, then you can just select the custom field also from here itself and do the mapping. And even there is an auto mapping option being available, which will allow you to auto. So what it will do is it will automatically map all the fields which are available into your sheet with the Qmetry field without doing the manual mapping. So I have just enabled this particular option. So as you can see, it will automatically map. And once I click on start import, all the test assets which have been created into an Excel sheet will automatically get imported into your Qmetry for Jira instance within one click. And if you do want to opt for the free trial of Qmetry for Jira on Atlassian, then you can just go to Marketplace and search it out for Qmetry Testman for Jira. And even you are looking for more information about the product or you are looking for an end-to-end online demonstration, then you can mail us at qtm4j@qmetry.com.